Hi, I'm Gary Woobers with Ascend Business Strategies, trainer, coach, and keynote speaker. Communication in the workplace using extended disc. When we don't take time to understand how people we work with prefer to give and receive communication, we cannot think of having a productive relationship or growing a culture in our business. In most businesses today, we are pushed to achieve more with less resources more now than any time previously in our history. Knowing this, it is important for us to understand the theory of the iceberg. We can work with people a long time, but still only get to know about 20% of who they truly are. The other 80% is hidden under the surface, just like an iceberg. And those factors are tremendously important when it comes to productive communication. This is often called an individual's subconscious, and that is where everyone's drivers are located. It is who we are and determines why we respond as we do to different stimuli. That is why I love the extended disc. This single assessment looks at not only the conscious behaviors, but the unconscious as well. This gives you a complete picture of an individual and removes all the guessing. The results are gathered by utilizing a single 25-question survey that is based on force logic. It forces you to choose the choice of answer that best fits the way you feel. Once the survey is answered, the extended disc system generates a profile report that is individualized just for you. You will be given a dominant or co-dominant style listing of one or more of the combinations of the following. The D is the driver. This person is real go-getter and goal-driven. The I is the interactive, often termed the social butterfly. This person brings optimism and sunshine to any room. The S is the supportive, tremendously loyal person that doesn't like to make waves. And the C, it's the classic or the consistent, logical, and very detailed oriented. This next slide gives you an idea of how the different styles relate to each other in the four common areas. Social interaction. The I is the most outgoing, and the C is the most reserved. The type of focus. The D is more task-focused, while the S is more relationship or family-oriented. The need for information. The I naturally wants the most general information, while the C wants the most detailed and specific. The pace. The D wants a fast pace. Do it their way, today. And the S likes the slower pace in general. When you get your results, it will look like this. Your profile 2, your natural style, everyday comfort zone where you will be most of the time. You will note that one on the screen has the combination of a C and S and an I that are above the dividing line while the D is below. This person would display the top 3 on a normal day most consistently. The profile 1, this displays only a moment in time when the person took the assessment based on the event of the day. This is how they were flexing their profile at that time when they took the profile. We all flex and change throughout the day to meet the needs, but profile 2, it is our natural, non-stress style. When you have a resource like this at your hands, running a department or a business becomes so much easier. Communication flows better, and you have the ability to assign workloads to those that are better matched to handle the various aspects of what the job calls for. So how do you begin the process of having extended disc improve your personnel or organizational communication and productivity? That's where we come in. Ascend Business Strategies can help you take that first step in identifying the best of many assessments that are focused on the job type or just for your own personal growth. Ascend Business Strategies mission is to provide practical approaches to training, coaching, and speaking by empowering individuals and organizations to reach their goals, dreams, and ambitions. Our vision is to help our clients ascend to their peak by providing clarity in purpose and productivity. To reach us, go to our website at goascend.biz or call us at 573-644-6655. As I leave you today, my challenge to you: give of yourself freely, love openly each day, and make a difference in the world. Make it a great day. See you next week.